Have you ever seen something in nature for like the first time and it just blew you away that this animal exists? Today I'm talking about a marine animal that did just that for me when I saw it in real life for the first time. When I was going to school and studying marine biology, we all had to take this ichthyology class. And so we had this big project for our class where we had to go into the wild and find 50 different species of fish and identify them correctly. A friend of mine suggested that I go to the fishing docks where the shrimp boats go and see what they are catching. And then this was a bait fishery, so they're catching bait shrimp for the fishermen to use. And it's in the bays that they find these. And they catch the shrimp, but they also catch some other things by accident. When they catch things by accident, it's called bycatch. So I jumped on board the shrimp boat, and they had all their catch in these holding tanks. So I look in, and there is one fish that caught my eye right away. It was floating upside down on the surface of the water. So I scoop it out of the water, and I look at it, and it has all these rows of very prominent gold beads. And they were just row after row after row, and they're mainly on the belly of the fish. And I just remember thinking, like, what is this? Is this like some sort of disco fish? It must have been frightened because it was like flashing lights that were coming out of the gold beads. It was lighting up like a Christmas tree. And it just looked like some creature from another world. It was just the most amazing thing with these flashing rows of lights. And here's a picture. And the species is the Atlantic Midshipman. And the reason I picked it today is one of my favorite fish. It looks like and reminds me of Christmas lights